The Amazon rainforest, considered by many to be the most powerful bioactive and diverse phenomenon on the planet. It's also a haven for the discovery of pharmaceuticals that could treat cancer and other life-threatening diseases. But like scores of other rainforests, this marvel of nature, a symbol of the Earth's goodness, is being destroyed, a pattern that could also damage our chances of discovering new therapies. With less than 1% of these tropical trees and plants having been tested by scientists, the goal is to speed up the discovery time of new bioactive compounds and identify their use quickly, and at the same time create a sustainable and renewable consumer market. Utilizing major advancements in bioinformatics, researchers have created a new technology. It drastically reduces the time to predict and analyze how a molecule from a plant, animal, or microorganism will behave when injected into the human body. As a result, useful drugs from the Amazon rainforest could be identified and targeted for specific diseases in 2 weeks, not 2 years. Wisely using nature to offer renewed hope for those who suffer, while also renewing economic incentives to protect our environment. Biotechnology, answering the world's call for a better future, today.